Back. Today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite. Before we get started, we'll need the ejector tool provided with the device, or you can use a paperclip. Pop out the tray located on the bottom of the device. Push the pin in and the tray will pop out. The tray has space for one SIM card and one SD card or two different SIM cards. If using two SIMs, place one on the back side of the tray. If using one of each, place them accordingly. The tray holds cards in place, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Simply insert it back into the device. The PIN prompt appears for the SIM card. Confirm it, and both SIM and SD card are working. That's how you insert both of them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.